From the demi-glace sauce we made in the last video. Today I will be showing you how to make 3 French classic sauces: pepper, mushroom, and pickle sauce. First, the pepper sauce. Saute onion and green peppercorns in a low to medium heat. Then the glace with cognac and flambéed. After the flambéed, I add the demi-glace sauce to the peppercorns. Then just a touch of cream, not too much. I want the deep demi-glace flavor to shine, not a cream sauce. Season lightly with pepper and salt. Let it gently simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, and that is it. The sauce is ready to be served. Next, the mushroom sauce. I slice and saute them in butter so they take on color, not steaming, because I want them to get that deep flavor. Then flambe with cognac. Now the demi-glace. Then some cream, a little more than the pepper sauce. Season with pepper and salt. Let it simmer together for 2 to 3 minutes and it's ready to be served. While simmering, make sure that the sauce is set on a low to medium heat to prevent splitting and also keeping that creamy consistency. And now for something a little different, pickle sauce. This one is sharper and brighter. It cuts through the richness of the demi-glace. Demi-glace goes first in the pan, then some cream. I'm using here 2 to 1 portion. A drop of cognac, then pickles for the tang, depending on your taste. Season with some pepper and salt. Allow to simmer gently for 2 to 3 minutes. If you haven't watched how to make the demi-glace sauce from scratch, watch that next. It is the foundation of these 3 French classic sauces. And also, if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to see more videos of this type coming out of our channel. Let me know in the comments below which of this sauce you would like to try first. Here I present to you 3 classic French sauces made with the demi-glace base. My favorite is the mushroom served with delicious steak. Which is your favorite? I hope you love this one. See you in my next video.